Okay, so question un ydy ble rwy ti'n byw? Can anybody tell me what that means? Yes, that's right. Where do you live?
Gwych. Now, there are different points you can collect here in the different ways you can answer the question. So for 1 point, you can just say yn y tŷ or Griffistown, for example. So just answering the question very briefly. For 2 points, then, you can say dwi'n byw yn, followed by the town that you live in. For 3 points, you can extend your answer. So, for example, dwi'n byw yn Griffistown gyda mam o'r enw Sarah. And then for 4 points, which is the maximum points, you can then extend it even further with a question at the end. So, for example, dwi'n byw yn Griffistown gyda mam o'r enw Sarah. Beth amdana ti? So, how about you?